One step at a time. When you're just starting, start small, but dream big. It's understandable that the higher mastership levels are still quite far from our reach. But with patience, discipline, and consistency, we will all get there. One step at a time, but keep on stepping up. If you create from the very outset grandiose or ambitious plans, that will not really be very helpful. It's much better to commit yourself to the simple, doable tasks that can help you develop healthy habits. Simple, doable tasks like, for example, deciding on a daily basis to generate maybe 10, 20, or 30,000 point values. If you start with those ambitious plans, you'll find it very difficult to restart if you miss out on them. Unlike if you start with the simple, realistic goals, it will be easier to restart, and the effects will have those long-term benefits. So doing the simple, realistic goals at the very start can help you gain confidence and inspire you to move towards your greater aspiration. Focus on your strengths. Spend more time doing the things that you're good at. If you're not sure, ask your sponsor. Build your trust, knowing that you will excel. Remember that we all have purposes in life. You were born for a purpose, and you were blessed with the power to achieve it. So you have to believe that. Work as a team, foster cooperation. One good thing about Atomy is that it doesn't engage us in toxic competition. The more we cooperate one another, the more we can challenge ourselves to grow even better as a group. Learn also to follow, not just lead. We need to share, or we need to create a shared vision for a brighter future. Change your culture from a fixed to a growth mindset. Change your ethos from a know-it-all to a learn-it-all, meaning you're willing to learn. So a growth mindset is the belief that you can cultivate and improve upon your abilities with patience and effort. And it sees every failure as an opportunity to grow. As fixed mindset, in contrast, is believing that all your abilities are largely predetermined and can never be changed, can never be improved. So it really will limit your potential. Remember that your mindset makes 99% of the game. I encourage my members to seek learning opportunities that will help them prosper in their Atomy business. Most recently, I encourage them to enroll in this DICT program, which is meant to hone their competencies in the field of digital marketing. Those who are with me now from our center, they are graduates now of this DICT program, and they're already very good at preparing all those digital marketing materials. There will be fear, there will be obstacles, and eventually loss of motivation. But you need to program your mind for success. Your decision starts in your mind. Self-limiting thoughts like, I can't do it, I'm not good for it, I can't be bothered, I'll do it tomorrow, or any of those will not bring you anywhere. Every single person in this room wants to be successful, right? Right, I know that. So your destiny depends on the kind of choices you make now. You need to make your choices now, and you need to choose well. You can choose to be a mediocre Atomian, earning 2,000 a month, or you can choose to be an excellent Atomian, be excellent, or be extreme. So you need to figure out, what do you really want to achieve? Why do you want to achieve it? Why is it something so important to you? What kind of a person should you be to achieve that? Program your mind to that kind of goal or whatever you want to achieve. Do guided visualizations, vividly picturing in your mind what you want to achieve, seeing it happen, feeling it happen. If you're motivated, the question is not, who is going to let me? But it is, who is going to stop me? So I hope we are all in this mode, properly motivated. We need to have empathy. Empathy is the ability to be able to understand another person's feelings. We need to be more tolerant. We need to listen. We need to be more understanding, as this will all lead to kindness, compassion, and most importantly, the ability to serve in humility. We need to have grit. Grit is the ability to persist in doing the things that you're passionate about. It is the ability to persevere in the face of obstacles. It has nothing to do with talent or intelligence. Talent without grit means nothing. It is only with effort that talent can become a skill that can lead to success. We need to have resilience, as this is a key part of becoming successful. You don't have to be the smartest. You don't have to be the hardest working. In fact, these are the people who early on frequently fail, and actually failure is important in mastering the art of resilience. Every time you fall, every time you fail, you get up again and keep on going. Keep on going even if it seems impossible. You may be a slow learner, but if you are perceptive to opportunities, you will really make it. Learn how to chill. This picture, a playful pose. When one of our members celebrated her birthday in our center, so we had this playful mood, and I would, hi. Somebody took a picture of me. Oh, okay, this is like saying, learn how to chill. So this may be a tall order for some, especially if there are challenges to be met, but this will give you the energy and the mindset to deal with life's stresses. If you are rested, if you are recharged, you become healthier, and you become less of a candidate for heart attack and stroke. So, where are we? How have our center fared? We have our very modest accomplishments. We have our modest contribution to the pool of Diamond Masters, the Sales Masters. Some of our Sales Masters are in USA, so I really don't know them. They are mostly Koreans. And in 2021, I was awarded the Auto Sales Master. So thank you, Ate B, for that. And on the occasion,